Welcome back to Breaking Bread Around the World, where today we're exploring a humble icon from the British Isles. Now, just like we discovered with Japan's incredible souffle pancakes, our journey to understand bread takes us beyond the traditional loaf. A crumpet isn't baked in an oven. It's bounced on a hot griddle. It's a unique batter bread, a testament to the fact that flour, water, and a leavening agent can create magic in many different forms. The secret to a crumpet is its iconic holes, a marvel of kitchen chemistry. The wet batter uses both yeast and baking soda. As it cooks on the griddle, rising bubbles pop, leaving behind perfect funnels for melting butter. This comforting staple was perfected in the Victorian era, and it even has a free-form cousin called the picklet. But for me, the crumpet is more than just a clever recipe or a comforting snack. It represents a warmth that completely reshaped my life. It represents England. You see, for me, England isn't just a place on a map. It started with the English language. It was a key that unlocked a door to a wider world. A world of new ideas, new cultures, and new possibilities. That key allowed me to study abroad. A journey of discovery that was both thrilling and terrifying. And it was on that journey, in that new world that the English language had opened for me, that I met the love of my life. So, when I hold a warm, butter-soaked crumpet, I'm not just tasting a piece of British history. I'm tasting the warmth of that welcome. I'm tasting the opportunity that language gave me. And I'm feeling the incredible, life-changing joy of finding my person. It proves that bread, in all its wonderful, surprising forms, is never just food. It's a vessel for our memories, our gratitude, and our love. It connects us not just to a place, but to the people and the moments that define us. And for that, I am eternally grateful.